Okay, Ben, what's first?
Big circle.
Good job. Okay, now what's next?
And big line.
Yep. And then what's next?
And the little one.
Yep.
And the little one.
2 little lines. What's next?
And
Across the middle. Across the middle, good job. And you did your 2 eyes. And what's next?
and smile.
Right.
That's Daddy.
That's Daddy?
Yeah.
Let's see.
See?
Ooh, good one. Okay, do another one. Do Ben. Why don't you do them right here? Okay, what's first?
Big circle.
Uh-huh. Then what's next?
And eyes.
Yeah.
And big this.
Big line. Yep. Then what's next?
And little line.
Yep. And then what's next?
And cross middle.
Yep. And what's last?
And smile.
Right. Let's see.
Right there.
That's pretty good. You a good drawer? You like to draw people? Okay.
I need to have Mommy.
Okay. What's first?
Big line.
Big circle.
Big circle. And cross middle. And little middle. And little middle. And the eyes. And smile.
Good job. Can you wave to the camera?
Cheese.